Hello and welcome to the Hans Moore YouTube channel. And in this video, I will introduce you to Weffort motorized window blackout remote control window shades. Now these are made of 3 layers of textured fabric. On the front, they are textured. And at the bottom, they have an aluminum base to give it some weight when it goes down. But on the back, again, these are 3 layers of textured fabric. But on the back, they are UVA protected and coated on the back for UVA sun protection. There are 3 shades in this room. They can be custom made from the factory. You can get them in different colors. And if you look over here, the motor is hidden up here where it rolls around the shade. It's right there. Now, these are blackout shades. Now, in between the shades, you can see there is some sun that can bleed through. But what comes with these shades are some PVC, they're like plastic poles with sticky tape right here. They go all the way down. They're the length of the windows. And what you do, you take this and you put it, you take the sticky tape and you put it right here against the window, and it will block out more of the sun. But these have not been installed yet. So again, they're plastic, comes with the sticky tape. You would peel off this tape and then stick on each side, and you get 2 plastic poles to go on the side of the shades. But they have not been installed yet. Also, these shades are very quiet and they run smoothly. So let me go over here and demonstrate, because they come with a remote control. Let's go right here. So here is the remote control, which comes with it. So you have the up, the pause button, the down, and then you have these left and right arrows that would allow you to program what shade you decide to operate. So if you just want the left shade to come down and leave these 2 up, or if you just want the middle to come down and leave the right and left up, you can do that. So let me demonstrate how quiet and smoothly these shades run. So let me hit the down button. Can you hear how quiet? And then they stop. Now I'm going to hit the up button. I'm going to hit this and then listen to the motor. Very quiet, nice and smooth. And then you can be laying in bed at night and you get in the bed and you're too lazy to get up and shut the shades. You can just take your remote control and hit down. I'm also going to show you how I can pause it. So I'm going to hit down. And then I'm going to pause it in the middle, like halfway down. And pause. And then let's go all the way down. Here we go. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe. Now again, these are the Weffort motorized window blackout remote control shades. Again, they're 3 layers of texture, UVA coated on the back for protection. They're textured in front. They can be custom made to fit your window. You can also add the 2 plastic poles on each side of the shade to block out even more of the sun to make them fully blackout shades. Thank you for watching.